So, of course, we've had 15,698 vaccines administered by Queensland Health and 34,518 tests have been administered. So now 89.94% of Queenslanders have had one dose. So I'm pretty sure Queensland we're going to hit that 90% mark today. So well done, congratulations. And of course we're 83.55% have had two. Now in terms of people coming into Queensland, we've had 257,000 people have crossed the border from Victoria, ACT and New South Wales since Monday. Obviously everyone wants to come to Queensland, but we want to make sure that it is safe. So if you think about it, it's more than the population of Townsville has come into Queensland. We are a tourist destination. Now, because this variant, the Omicron, is highly contagious, we want to ensure that Queenslanders and people coming to Queensland have a safe Christmas and a safe New Year. And that means we need to do as much protection as we possibly can. If you get this COVID, you'll be off work from anything from 7 to 10 days, and if you're a close contact, you'll be off work for 7 days. So what we know is we want to keep our restaurants and our cafes and everything operating over Christmas and New Year. This is really important, as well as our critical industries across Queensland as well. So we're doing a lot of planning, and I want to reassure Queenslanders that all of that work is happening. So we're going to add some extra measures to continue to keep Queensland safe, and these are not onerous measures, but they're measures that Queenslanders have taken before. So in Queensland we already have masks that are mandatory in supermarkets and shops, on public transport and in ride shares. So starting from 5 a.m. tomorrow, masks will be mandatory in cinemas and theatres. So this is for patrons and for people who work in cinemas and theatres, and also for hospitality staff. Now, we know in hospitality staff, people go around from table to table. We all don't have that full protection yet because we don't have the boosters. This is not very onerous. We have spoken to the industry and to the unions. They understand why this is necessary. Essentially, we don't want to have all of our cafes and restaurants going down because of the Omicron variant. So I think it's very practical, it's very sensible. And I'm quite sure that Queenslanders will respond positively to this move as we head into Christmas and New Year. It's only a few days out from Christmas and a few days out from New Year, and I want to ensure that Queenslanders have a very good Christmas. So I might just hand over to Dr. Gerard, and then I'm happy to take a few quick questions because we have National Cabinet